It's honey harvest day! My kids are gonna help me collect all the honey from our 2 hives outside. So come join the fun and watch the magic happen.
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I don't wanna shake you. My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause I know baby it's working, it's working. Never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off, I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off, I'm never shaking you off, I'm never shaking, I'm never shaking, I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you. You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish
Phew,
I could
we
just
are all done collecting the honey from outside because it is a scorcher out there, which is actually a good thing because we needed it to be super hot for the honey to be warm enough to be pulled out of the frames by the extractor. So the heat is a really good thing, but it feels so much better to be in the AC or at least a half functioning air conditioner. It's about to be repaired, woohoo, but for now it's a little bit on the warm side, but again, that helps with the honey. So here we got one of our buckets of honey with our spout we're gonna pour from. We've got our jars and we've got our cute little company stickers that I'll show you. And I'm glad for my girls' help. It was super fun. They were really helpful. And I only got a couple stings. I actually only got 3 stings in 2 years, but yesterday one of the hives seemed to be extra perturbed and went at me all at once and got me 4 times. So my arm is a little swollen and it itches like crazy. But all in all, it was a really good, super hot, very successful day. And now we're gonna do my favorite part, the pouring of the honey. My kids will help, and then we're gonna taste it with some apples, which is the best way to eat honey. Actually, there's no bad way to eat honey, but this is the best way to eat honey. Our honey comes mostly from persimmon trees and clover. Clover is one of the most popular pollen sources for honey, but persimmon trees I think is a little more unique for us. We've got 21 plus persimmon trees outside. So we love our honey. It is delicious. So we're gonna start jarring. I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. My husband just walked in and he saved my butt. I am not super business savvy. He is currently getting his master's in business management and he hopes to be a business consultant one day. And he just business consulted my business and totally saved me. All of last year, I sold these cute little 8-ounce jars for $8. That's $1 an ounce. I also bought 12-ounce jars. And I thought that that meant that I could fill them up with honey because honey is supposed to be filled to the very top of this line. So I filled them all to the very top, like this, just like they're supposed to be. And these are supposed to be both 12 ounces. They don't really look it and they don't look the same, but they both say 12 ounces. And I guess I'm just not familiar enough with canning jars. So we weighed them and this was almost there. This is 12 ounces. So it was almost to the top, but it looks like I'm just selling them short and not filling it to the top. And this one is an 8-ounce jar, but this is 8 ounces of honey. And that looks like I'm selling them a half-filled jar of honey. So I changed it and I am going to fill them all up. However, I am going to adjust the weight because I was grossly underestimating how much honey I was putting in my jars. And to give you an idea, just this box alone, I was going to undercharge people by $120 just for this one box. And I've got boxes back there. So I'm very, very grateful to my awesome husband who came in and business consulted me and saved my butt.
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
Our honey harvest is complete. Yes, that was a lot of hours outside in the heat in bee suits. It was super hot outside. It's so nice to have this done. We have significantly more honey than last year. Yes. I really, really like our cute little labels. They say sweet to the soul honey with the little honey bee. I just love them so much. So, another year is complete. Our bees are happy in their hives, and thanks for joining us on another great honey harvest this year. And I'll see you in the next video.